Woodpeckers 6-in-1 gauges give you a physical reference for measurements to eliminate the errors that can crop up when reading scales. The gear teeth engage, locking the two halves together at perfect 1/32 or 1 mm steps. Get it close and the rack will do the rest. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. Here, the body of the tool is milled out of aluminum billets. Those parts are then carefully inspected by the machinist for accuracy. Here we can see our high-powered laser cutting out the gears of the teeth. After being cut, any burrs or imperfections are buffed out at one of our finishing machines. Next, the bodies are anodized and laser engraved with scale markings and brand graphics. Finally, the tool is meticulously assembled by hand, packed up, and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, 6-in-1 gauges are precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Lock in accuracy in your machine setup and dimension checking with Woodpeckers 6-in-1 gauges. Order yours today!